This year is a great year to invest in your digital marketing, and we have 5 quick tips to help you out. 1, video marketing. Yes, get in front of your camera and provide those how-to videos or about the product launches that you want to share and showcase to your customers. Number 2, modern websites. Take a look at your website. Is it the year to upgrade it or modernize it with easy navigation, fast loading pages, and click to call so they can use your phone number easily? Number 3, SEO. Yes, that search engine optimization is still key and critical. Your website should be able to provide the answers that your clients are looking for, so make sure you update your website. And number 4, your social marketing. Don't forget about your social media and use it as a marketing avenue, because if you know where your clients are, you can get in front of them and engage with them daily. The last one would be pay-per-click or targeted ads. So that might be an area that you haven't tried before, but might be a nice one to try this year. I'm Laura with Agtivation, and you can learn more about all of these tips and how they will help you on our website.